How to change Korean Webtoon into English. Now, um, I would suggest that you'll be using your PC or laptop for you to be able to change the language to English very easy. So if you're going to be using this specific process like on my end, then the actual method is just easy thing to do. So if you're going to be using Google Chrome, there's two methods that you can choose. Now the first step is to access the three dots at the top right portion of your screen and then use the default translator on Google Chrome. Now the other thing that you can do is just to head to the very bottom part of Webtoons official site, and then these drop down field or drop down option right here is basically the language tab. So you simply click on that and just switch it to English and it will automatically switch by itself. And that's it. That's how you change to Korean Webtoon into English.